right, we start now with a very big movie that's been enjoying a very big reception all around the world. Last night was a homecoming of sorts for fans of and those involved in the new Star Trek movie. Giant premiere in Hollywood, not too terribly far from Culver City. These are a bunch of yellow wristbands, where, of course, the Star Trek excitement was shot. It all started early for us yesterday. John Cho, very funny, Sulu, was here with us yesterday morning. John Cho is not here in advance of the world premiere of the Star Trek movie on Hollywood Boulevard tonight. He is here, rather, to discuss Jessica's report about which nationalities are the sexiest. He literally, he didn't. His name wasn't left at the guard gate. He just came in. What about it irked you the most?
Ladies, where's the Koreans at?
Right. Hello.
You know what I mean? Fellas, where's the Koreans at?
What's going on with that?
Where are all of the Asian
Why am I
brothers,
talking
honestly?
like this?
What
I don't know, but it's kind of working.
We sent Doug Kolk to the premiere. We asked him to ask John Cho if he had a good time with us. Incredibly, John changes the subject and brings up what I think is a not-so-secret crush on one of our own staffers right here.
Oh, boy.
John, how does this red carpet experience compare to being on the KTLA Morning News this morning with Sam Rubin?
In a word, weak.
Did you feel more excitement and energy out here or in the studios at KTLA?
In the studio? What are you talking about?
Right.
Juju Chan, what's up?
You're dealing with a bigger Colt in there.
What's going on with the traffic? Tell me. Is there a SIG alert? Where's it at? 91? Artesia?
She knows.
She knows. Is the 91 in Artesia? Is it in Brea on the 57? Where's it at? What's going on in Irvine? Is the 5 clogged? 405? 170. What's a 170 like right now? McCafe?
He's speaking my language. Freeways, he knows them all. See? It's superfluous that I'm married, and so is he.
It's a bit like, a first date there.
He's kind of Indian.
He's got game. He's got traffic game.
No, he was like total traffic game. It's like
Total traffic game.
He dropped some traffic bombs.
Right.
Very impressive.
Marcano.
Yeah, Marcano, watch out. Be
Watch
careful.
out.
Now, Marcano will buzz John Cho's house. All right, this is embarrassing. Who's probably the single hottest director in Hollywood at the moment? J.J. Abrams. And if you know Paul Revere Junior High in Brentwood, J.J. went there. His kids play soccer there, and he tells Doug about something that happened there recently. Yikes.
Sam Rubin says hi.
Sam Rubin, KTLA Channel 5.
At Paul Revere Junior High in Brentwood, there's a large poster of you outside the school building, proudly listing you as one of the school's alumni. What did you learn at Paul Revere that helped you bring you here today?
Here's my favorite thing at Paul Revere. So I'm there for my kids' soccer a few weeks ago, and there's Mr. Rubin walking across with his kid who's also there for soccer. And I was like, hey, Sam, what's up? He looks at me and goes like totally celebrity-ed me. He totally was like didn't even, I'm like, oh my God. I was just trying to say hi. There's a whole Paul Revere thing happening. So I don't know what you're thinking, man. I'm coming after you.
It was so bad.
You blew him off?
I totally blew him off. I didn't even know it was, I apologize. It was,
We could run a list of people.
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
All right.
Alba.
What's in there?